Good morning, viewer. Welcome to our perspective. Here's the breaking news. Yes, an international team of marine biologists has discovered the remains of ancient RNA viruses embedded in the DNA of symbiotic organisms living inside reef-building corals. The RNA fragments are from viruses that infected the symbionts as long ago as 160 million years. The discovery is described in an open access study published on June 1st in the Nature journal Communication Biology, and it could help scientists understand how corals and their partners fight off viral infections today. But it was a surprising find because most RNA viruses are not known for embedding themselves in the DNA of organisms they infect. The research showed that endogenous viral elements or EVs appear widely in the genomes of coral symbionts known as dinoflagellates, the single-celled algae live inside corals and provide them with their dramatic colors. The EVE discovery underscores recent observation that viruses other than retroviruses can integrate fragments of their genetic code into their host genome. So why did it get in there? Asked study co-author Adrani Korea of Rice University. Could just be an accident, but people are starting to find that these accidents are more frequent than scientists had previously believed, and they have been found across all kinds of hosts from bats to ants to plants to algae. That an RNA virus appears at all in coral symbionts was also a surprise. This is what made this project so interesting to me. Study lead author Alex Vagila, a graduate student in Korea's research group. Yes, there is really no reason based on what we know for this virus to be in the symbiont's genome. The study was supported by the Tara Ocean Foundation and the National Science Foundation and led by Correa Virgilio and two scientists from Oregon State University, postdoctoral scholar Kalia Bistolas and marine ecologist Rebecca Vega Thurber. Yes, the research provides clues that can help scientists better understand the ecological and economic impact of viruses on reef health. The researchers did not find EVs from RNA viruses in samples of filtered seawater or in the genomes of the dinoflagellate, free stony corals, hydrocorals or jellyfish, but EVs were pervasive in coral symbionts that were collected from dozens of coral reef sites, meaning the pathogenic viruses were probably remain picky about their target host. There is a huge diversity of viruses on the planet, said Correa, an assistant professor of bioscience. Some we know a lot about, but most viruses have not been characterized. Yes, we might be able to detect them, but we don't know how such as their host. She said viruses, including retroviruses, have many ways to replicate by infecting host. One reason our study is cool is because this RNA virus is not a retrovirus, Correa said, given that you would not expect it to integrate into host DNA. Bien, that's it for